I never experienced this outside, and I was involved, but that involvement was, I think, half-heartedly. Now I have my heart into everything I do.
It is the biggest thing that has happened to me in my life.
We are opening what is called a sadhana pada, which runs for a period of 6.5 to 7 months. In your body, you must be stronger and younger. In your mind, you must be sharper and much more stable. In your emotions, you must be very lucid. In your energies, you must be intense and stable. We want to bring these kind of people to the world. So we want to see that people who are working in large businesses, people who are in the government, people who are in important positions, take this 6-month break and invest upon their own growth.